In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Where I Find God by Larry Fleet. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Where I Find God by Larry Fleet, soulful tune. This is capoed on the 4th fret. So we're playing in the key of B, but I'm going to call out the chords as they land. It's a G chord, then it goes to a C. Now in that C, you'll notice if you leave your pinky down here, it'll be a C add 9. That's what he uses in the song. So it goes, the verse goes. C. Push out, that is back to G. Then the turnaround is to a D chord. C add 9. Go back to your G. Second verse. So here's the second verse. Same form as the first. C, G, C, back to the C, back to your G, turn around to the D, C add 9.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
Then it goes into the chorus, which stays right at that G. Change. Back to G. So that's the verse and chorus to Where I Find God by Larry Fleet. So I'm going to give you the little tag he does at the end. He repeats this move. It's E minor D C. And then he does it one more time. That's where I found God. So quick note on that, it's after the last big chorus where he does I'm the mornin. Okay, and then he does this whole thing about Chevrolet with the windows down, me and him riding around and talking. Then it goes to the final tag. That's where I found G. So quick note on that, other than that little double turnaround, you're just doing your G chord. all you got to do is leave that pinky on that high G note. Play a C. You got it. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.